the process by which the glucose is a 6-carbon compound, is split into 2 molecules of pyruvic acid with the production of ATP is called glycolysis. Glucose is a 6-carbon compound, pyruvic acid is a 3-carbon compound. Next, 3 German microbiologists, Meyerhoff, Emden and Parnas. These 3 scientists first demonstrated this process in yeast cells. So, this glycolysis is otherwise called as EMP pathway. It is common in all organisms. The reaction takes place in cytoplasm. Next, we are going to discuss about steps of glycolysis. First, glucose. Glucose is converted to glucose 6-phosphate by the enzyme hexokinase. Here, phosphorylation takes place. So, the ATP is converted to ADP. From that ATP, 1-phosphate molecule is joined with glucose at the position of 6th carbon. Example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a glucose. Here 1-phosphate molecule is joined at the position of glucose 6th carbon. Here phosphate is added. So that glucose is converted to glucose 6-phosphate. That is the first step. Next, second step, glucose 6-phosphate is converted to fructose 6-phosphate. Here by the enzymes phosphoglucoisomerase. Here isomerization takes place. Glucose 6-phosphate and fructose 6-phosphate molecular formula is same. Only the difference is structure. Next step, third step, fructose 6-phosphate is converted to fructose 1,6 bisphosphate. Here by the enzyme phosphofructokinase enzyme. Here this step also phosphorylation takes place. Here ATP is converted to ADP. From the ATP, 1-phosphate molecule is added with fructose 6-phosphate. The fructose 6-phosphate at the position 1st carbon. So the fructose 6-phosphate is converted to fructose 1,6 bisphosphate. This step, up to this step, this is the energy inversement phase. Here ATP molecule is consumed. First step and third step. So this step is a energy inversement phase. Next step is a splitting phase. Here fructose 1,6 bisphosphate 6-carbon compound is splitting into two products. That is a dihydroxyacetone phosphate and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Dihydroxyacetone phosphate is a 3-carbon. Next, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is a 3-carbon. Next step, dihydroxyacetone phosphate is converted to glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. At the same time, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate also converted to dihydroxyacetone phosphate. Here enzyme isomerase enzyme. Here isomerization takes place. Next, sixth step. Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is converted to 1,3 bisphosphoglyceric acid or glycerate. Here enzyme, by the enzyme glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase enzyme. That sixth step, 2 reaction, phosphorylation reaction and oxidation reaction. During this reaction, the NADH2 is formed. NAD is converted to NADH plus hydrogen ions is formed. Next seventh step, 1,3 bisphosphoglyceric acid or 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate is converted to 3-phosphoglyceric acid by the enzyme phosphoglycerate kinase enzyme. Here dephosphorylation takes place. So ADP is converted to ATP. This seventh step, ATP is formed. This type of ATP synthesis is called direct phosphorylation or substrate level phosphorylation. That phosphate group is synthesized from substrate. So that this step is a substrate level phosphorylation reaction. Next, 8th step. 3-phosphoglyceric acid is converted to 2-phosphoglyceric acid. Here 3-phosphoglyceric acid is converted to 2-phosphoglyceric acid by the enzyme phosphoglycerate mutase enzyme. In this reaction, phosphate molecules is shifted from third carbon to second carbon. Next step, 9th step. 2-phosphoglyceric acid is converted to phosphoenol pyruvic acid. Here enzyme enolase enzyme. Here dehydrated reaction. Here water molecule is removed from 2-phosphoglyceric acid. Next step, phosphoenol pyruvic acid is converted to pyruvic acid. Here enzyme pyruvate kinase. Here dephosphorylation takes place. ADP is converted to ADP. So our glycolysis process, glucose is converted to pyruvic acid. Totally 10 enzymes are involved in this reaction. Overall reaction in glycolysis, glucose plus 2-phosphate plus 2-ADP plus 2-NAD is converted to 2-pyruvate plus 2-NADH plus 2 hydrogen ions plus 2-ATP plus 2 water molecules. So 1 molecules of glucose is converted to 2 molecules of pyruvate is formed. Our net ATP molecule is 2 ATP molecules and 2 NADH2. In glycolysis, 4 ATP, here 2 ATP, here 2 ATP. Totally 4 ATP and 2 NADH2 is formed, and 2 ATP, here 1 ATP and here 1 ATP. So 2 ATP molecules are consume this hexose reaction. So net gain is 2 molecules of ATP and 2 NADH2 is formed. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video.